Hey y'all. So I'm back. I'm showing y'all these keto chows. I ate by 6:30. I was finished eating my dinner. I had two beef tacos. It was 6 ounces of ground beef. Y'all see my meals before this, but I'm getting that feeling that I want something else, which lets me know that I may have to eat 3 times a day, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, if I get up to do breakfast early enough. But I said, you know what? I don't want to eat any meat or anything that it take a long time to digest. So I made me a what keto chow is this? I think this is just chocolate. hmm You can drink keto chow hot or cold. I used all of the ice in my ice machine, so I'm drinking it hot. But normally I drink it cold. But this is just chocolate. It's 1.5 cups of water, and I did about 2 tablespoons of butter. In here, you need the fat. You need at least, what do they say, 10 grams of fat, which is 1 tablespoon of whatever you're going to use to activate the vitamins and minerals in there. This will give you 1/3 of your daily vitamins and minerals, and it's also a meal replacement. You can also put this in coffee as well, and it tastes good. The flavors that I put in coffee is pistachio. I put pistachio in coffee, which is delicious. I put what is this? Raspberry cheesecake, which is delicious. You could do a chocolate peanut butter. This is a new one. I would not put this one in coffee, but I would do chocolate peanut butter, chocolate toffee that they have. The raspberry cheesecake is good. The pistachio is good in coffee. So if you're a coffee drinker, you can have your cup of coffee and your meal replacement all in one shot. Just put you either some butter. I think it tastes better with butter. My husband used heavy cream. Um, but I think the best is with butter. Sometimes I'll do a raw egg, and you really, to me, can't really taste the difference. Once you blend everything up, that'll give you extra protein and fat. Putting the egg in here, but you don't have to. But yeah, so I'm gonna drink this keto chow, and then I'm gonna jump my butt in the shower and get settled down for bed. So I just wanted to bring y'all this. I don't get paid to promote this. I just like to bring to you healthy alternatives that are out there, that I actually pay for and use myself. Me and my husband both drink keto chow, him more so than me, because I could get tired of it real quick. But he drinks it every day for his breakfast. And sometimes my sons will, have one if they're running out, after they finish up with their workout or something like that. But for the most part, it's just me and my husband who drinks them. And you can make these up to, like, if you just want to grab and go. And you got a bunch of containers. You don't even need a blender. When you get their starter pack, it comes with a shaker cup with that metal ball inside of it, and you just put your water, your melted butter or whatever in there, and just shake it up and drink. So you don't have to blend, but you can make these. You can make these a week. Like on a Sunday, you say, you know what, I just want to grab and go. You can make 5 of them ahead of time and just put them in the refrigerator and just grab them and go. I believe the owner said you can make them, they last for a week, which is 7 days. So you can just grab and go if you make them. You can also make ice cream with them, and you can also make a pudding with them. I've made a pudding with them. I have not made an ice cream with them. Um, most people who do keto chow have that Ninja ice cream maker. And so I have a big ice cream maker, so I just never made any ice cream with it. But some people will make ice cream with it, and that'll be, their dessert, and it makes a good amount of ice cream too. I've made the pudding with it, which is really good. It's an egg pudding, but it's really good, and you wouldn't even tell that it's an egg pudding mixed with this. It's real good. So it's a lot of things that you can do with Keto Chow. They are on YouTube. They go live like once or twice a week. So go check them out. And yeah, that's what I do. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.